My name is Melissa. Found Kaelin on Facebook ads, and it was after I had a girls trip to Mexico with some friends and saw pictures, and I was the big girl in the group, so Kaelin came at the right time.
What's happened for you since then? How have you changed?
I've lost 33 pounds, and I have a couple more sisters. I have several people that I have connected with and that I would call lifelong friends.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So what, besides getting a few more sisters there, what's been your big breakthrough or breakthroughs on the journey?
I've had a rough year. I have skin cancer. And I can't do it. I lost a baby. And I think that was the lowest point. So, coming back from, that was just in this last year. And I had to dig myself out of that. And then I came back, and I came back stronger. Because I had LadyBoss with me. All of my sisters, all of the sisterhood, the community, everybody. So, that's what I gained from it.
Yeah.
Not only the physical, but it's mental.
Yeah. You got a lot of love here.
Yeah, so there's a lot of love.
Yeah. What would you say to someone that isn't sure if this is the right place for them?
You have to take a chance on yourself. There's a free trial. How can you not go wrong doing a free trial? And everybody has a day one. Even Kaelin herself, who developed the program, she started with the day one. So you can't look at everybody else's progression and wish you were already there, because you have to start somewhere. And you connect with other people and you take that step forward, because you can't change the past. So you make a decision for yourself to be better and to move forward.
Love that.
Yeah.
And what's been the most enjoyable part? Where's the fun of being a lady boss?
The atmosphere of it. Like, there is no other place in this world where you're going to find women uplifting women the way we do. We don't talk bad about other people, and that's just not part of who we are. And we accept people for who they are. And that's amazing. No other place in the world does that, especially for women.